Just outside this kitchen window, we've got quite a big strawberry planter that we've fixed to the wall with brackets. And it's had strawberries in it all year. But now they're about done. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace those strawberry plants with some lettuce. And it's going to be very convenient when it gets colder for us to just nip through this door, grab a few lettuce leaves when we need them and pop straight back in out of the cold. This is that planter I'm talking about. And it's still got the strawberries in from beginning of year. You can see they're getting a bit tired and there's no fruit on it. So we designed this so it could just be lifted off. So we'll get those strawberries took out and we'll get some fresh salad put in it. And it's in a perfect spot for picking fresh salad leaves. So although we're swapping this container out, we're not wasting these plants. We're just going to dig them out. And they'll come out quite easily. In a nice little clump like that. And these will get replanted and they'll come back even bigger next year. But for now, fruiting wise, they are finished. And they've got some really good roots on them as well. As you can see. And I'm not even going to bother putting fresh compost in here. We're going to amend what's already in it. And then top it up. It's going to save us a little bit of money that way. And again, really good root system on these strawberry plants. Well worth saving. Just shake away that excess compost. I'll probably plant those outside to overwinter in one of the raised beds. So that's all been cleared out. And I'll pop a bit of fish blood and bone in there. That's going to be enough nutrients to keep these plants that we're putting in going all the way through autumn and winter. Now we just need to top it up with some more compost. I'm just levelling it out a bit now. You don't have to, it's just something that I like to do. Now these are those tiny little lettuce seedlings that we pricked out of one of those little plastic pots that we use. And we just transferred them into these cells. And we just leave them to grow to a good size. And look how healthy these plants are now. Perfect to transplant straight into there. And when we pop them out, they come out so easily. Root systems slightly tangled at the bottom. So just release that a little. Then we'll make an hole in this container. Nice deep one. Get that plant buried in there. If you plant them deep and really firm them in, they'll stay upright. Let's bring it a little closer. So you can see that I've put that in nice and deep and really firmed it in. And that's how they look when they come out. And as I was saying, sometimes the roots can start to wind around bottom. So just untangle those. I'm just going to stick one at either end, but for the moment, like I said, really nice big deep hole. Get that in. Really firm it down. That's simple. And I'm going to put a few in here. And that's because these plants are called little gem lettuce. So they're not going to grow into a big round lettuce. They're going to grow into an upright romaine lettuce. So because of that, we can put more plants in here. And then we can harvest these for leaves as they grow, rather than wait until it hearts up. Which is going to be perfect for what we want. And I think we'll get 5 in here. So again, nice big hole. Get that in. Nice and deep. And I have pre-moistened this compost as well, just to get them started. And because we're planting them really deep, we're shoving the roots right to that level where we put all that fresh fertiliser. Let's get another one in. I'm only spacing them about 4 inches apart. That's all they need. In, firm down, done. Yeah, 5, we'll pop 1 just in this centre. We'll take this one here. As we do this, we always look for leaves that are past the best. Take them off. Loosen that bottom. Plant it in. And that's your new salad planter all set up. And I'm going to give this a bit of a top dressing with some Grow More. It also adds a nice little effect when it's sat outside your kitchen window. I think that'll do. So now we've got this all set up, all we need to do is take it back down and put it back on those brackets outside that kitchen window. And as we start and approach those colder autumn days, we've got things like this right outside his back door. So all we need to do, even on the most miserablest day, is just open the door, pick a few leaves, and we're straight back inside. And we've got lovely, fresh salad leaves all the way through autumn and winter. If you want to see what other planters we make up as we start going into autumn, please just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell. And I'll see you on next update. Meanwhile, I'm going to go and take this, pop it back where it belongs.